Hello everyone. Today we will learn doodle art. First of all, over here at the center of the page, draw a cloud like this. Draw a line over here and here like this and join them using a curve. Next, make another line next to it like this and add ears over here, here, and over here add the eyes. We are making random characters like that. Make ovals here, a smile, and next we'll draw another character over here. Make a semicircle, then draw lines like this and join them together over here and join them with the cloud here. Make the eyes and add the mouth area here. Then from here you draw a semicircle and another semicircle following it and another line with this and another one over here. Make the line like this for the mouth. And over here, another line like this, like a packet that you have just opened. And eyes over here, its mouth. Then here also we add eyes, mouth, and teeth to the character. First I add eyes, then the teeth over here, then the inner part of the mouth, and eyes over here on this character as well. Add nostrils and a smile here. Add teeth over here like this and its tongue over here dangling down this way. Next over here add the lines like this for the leafy part of this pineapple. It is kind of shaped like a pineapple. Next on this one is inspired from a rabbit, so we have U-shaped mouth and two teeth at the top. Next add eyes and tongue to it. Over here add circles like this for polka dots, and over here add eyes this way and here as well. Then mouth over here. This character is quite sad. Next over here on this one also you add eyes like this. Then over here ear part like this. Then another character on top of them over here. First I draw a semicircle, then around it I make this pattern, and then the eyes over here, circle inside circles, and a nose and a mouth over here like this, and two teeth. Then from here we have another character this way, eyes again, spikes over here on their head. Next over here add lines like this for another character. Make the mouth portion here, add eyes here, and over here add some patterns like this. Then over here add lines like this with the eyes, and we have another character ready over here. Then from here we make another character. Over here add another character like this. Then on this side, we make another character this way, add eyes on it, here, eyelashes, and everything. Next, add line for the character. Here, add eyebrows, eyes, mouth, and everything. We just make another character here. Then from here, we make a line like this and make a star. This way. I think this was really small on this part, so I extend this line a little and join it over here. Next, we will add another element on top of it as it looks quite empty. So what I'm going to do is I'll add this kind of a curvy line like this and make an apostrophe. Next over here we are going to add the text. We will write doodle art, so make lines like this for it, and we make the alphabet over here, D O O D and L and E. Now the characters will be in bold, they will be in 3D. So we also add a line next to these alphabets. First of all, we make it double over here like this, and then add another line like this to make it look three-dimensional. We'll do it for all the alphabets. We repeat the same process with the word art as well. Make a double lined alphabet like this, and next what we will do is we'll add the three-dimensional line over here. Once you are done with the pencil sketch, start with the outlining. I'm using a black marker for this. Using the black marker, outline everything that you see on the paper, every single pencil line. Once you are done with the outlining part, take your eraser and erase all the pencil lines that are visible over here. Once you are done with the erasing part, we'll start with the coloring part. We will use random colors for coloring each character. For example, I will start with light green color over here. I add a very dark line of it on the side and then use medium tone of it to color the character entirely. I'll leave the white spots like this. We won't color them, we'll just leave them like that. Then I'll color the ears over here. For the next character, I'm going to use orange. First, I'll add a line like this using this color here. And then I will add middle tone on the entire thing. Middle tone is when you're not applying a lot of pressure, but just enough for you to have a little color on the paper. Next, I'm going to take yellow color and I'll apply this color all over this character here like this. Again, I take light green color and color this character over here. First, I make a line using the dark tone. That is, I apply a lot of pressure over here and then I color the entire character using it here. Next, color this character. Take light green color and use it for coloring it this way. Next, take dark blue color and apply it over here, and this way we go from dark to light. Next, I'm using dark brown color for this character over here. For the next character, again I'm using dark blue color. I colored the entire character dark blue, and using light blue color I'm going to enhance this area over here. Next, I take orange color and color it over here, this area. Then using yellow color, I'll fill up this entire thing here. Next, I take red color and very darkly I apply it over here. And then I will cover all the white space that is left over here with middle tone. Not applying a lot of pressure, but neither too light as well. Then press really hard on the crayon and color this character over here this way. Next, take orange color and apply it over here on this character. Then I'll use fluorescent yellow color for this part here. Similarly, color all the other characters as well, using different colors, different bright colors so that it looks eye-catchy. Over here, color this pineapple shaped doodle using dark yellow color over here like this. Then using light green color, color the hair part over here, the leafy part of the doodle. Then using blue color, color this character here. And using another color, we'll color the rest of the two characters. I'm using gold color for this star over here. And over here for this character light blue. Next, using the black sketch pen, color the eyebrows of this character black here. Also using black to fill up this inside portion of this character over here. Then I'll use red color for this last character that we are supposed to color. I'm just analyzing my work and seeing where I can add this black color to make the character stand out. I'm filling up all the mouths with this black color, and then I move over to the alphabets, and over here I add lines like this on the 3D portion. Next again, I'm filling up this area with the black sketch pen. At last, color the tongue using pink color like this. And that's it. We are done with our artwork.